Hello student, welcome to Install video lecture series for maths. We believe in democratizing education for all. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is triangle. Come on, let's get started. So triangle is nothing but a geometrical shape. It's a polygon bounded by three sides, right? So it's the fundamental shape in geometry. So and the advanced geometrical concept and problem solving we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay. So now types of triangle, we can define the types of triangle based on the angles also, based on the side also. So here we know the basic first type is the equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal, therefore it implies that all the angles are automatically equal, right? So and each angle is for 60 degree. Right, so this is the equilateral triangle. Next we have the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangles are the triangle in which two sides are equal. So two sides are equal, automatic two angles are also equal. The opposite angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So this is one of the example of isosceles triangle. Okay, next we have the scalene triangle. Scalene triangle, if all the sides are of the different length, it means that all the angles are different, then it is known as scalene triangle. So this is one of the example of scalene triangle. Okay, next we are going to learn about the properties of triangle. So the first property is that the sum of all the interior angles in any triangle is 180 degree. Right, the second is that the sum of the exterior angle, right, of any triangle will be a 360 degree. Okay, and the side length of any, we have three sides, right? So the length of any side of a triangle is always less than the sum of the length of the remaining two sides. So these are the few basic properties of triangle. Okay, next we can define the types of triangles, right, on the basis of angles also, right? So we have acute angle triangle, right, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle. If there are all acute angles in a triangle, then it is known as acute angle triangle, right, acute triangle. And the right triangle, so which is also known as right angle triangle, in which it has one angle 90 degree. And then we have obtuse angle, it has one angle greater than 90, and this we have seen before, right? Equilateral triangle, isosceles and scalene triangle. Okay, so next we have the similar quadrilaterals. So similar quadrilateral means if you cast something, okay, some object shadow, we know that the shadow is similar to the object, right? Yes or no? So yes, so in shadow experiment here, what we are going to do is, first setup what we require is lighted bulb, okay, at point O on a ceiling. We are going to put a table directly below it, right? When we light the bulb, we can see that the shadow of the table will be casting on the floor, right? Yes, so there we can see that the shadow will be similar to the object that we place. Suppose we are placing the table, the shadow will look like a table, right? So here it will look like this. So here we can see that A will be casting shadow on the floor. Here A dash, right, B dash, C dash and D dash. Means it looks similar, right? So the quadrilateral ABCD is casting a shadow on the floor. A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Okay, so these are known as similar quadrilaterals. Okay, so there for similarity condition, we have the corresponding angles are equal. Here we can see that A angle, right, angle A is similar to angle A dash. So similar corresponding angles we call it. We are not saying A is equal to D. A casts a shadow A dash, right, means we say that A, B, C, D are similar to A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash, means A is correspond to A dash. So the angles are equal, the corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so that is the first criteria. So A dash is equal to A, B dash is equal to B, C dash is equal to C and D dash is equal to D. Okay, so and then the corresponding sides the ratios are also equal. Corresponding sides ratios are equal means what? So AB is corresponds to A dash B dash, right? So this ratio that we have AB upon A dash B dash will be equal to, suppose you are taking BC, right? Then B dash C dash ratio. This is the corresponding ratios are also used. Similarly, we can extend it, right? So this is what the next property is, right? So in similarity condition, we have corresponding sides are angles are equal and corresponding sides ratios are also equal. Okay, so conclusion that what we can conclude from here is that if two polygons are similar, not only the quadrilateral, any polygon are said to be similar if, okay, the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Understood? Next, the congruent triangle. So what is the difference between similarity and congruence? So in similarity, it should look like the same, okay? But in congruence, the thing is it should be of the same size and the same shape. The difference is that similar, it should have the same shape, not of the same size, not necessary. But in congruency, we have the same size also and same shape also. So there the difference will come with all the corresponding sides are equal, not the ratio, okay? The side length will be equal, the angle will be similar, the corresponding sides will be equal. That's what we are going to add. Angles are already equal in similar also and congruency also, okay? So the conditions that we are going to learn for congruency are SSS, here it means side, side, side. So means for triangle we are talking about. So two triangle, if you want to compare whether they are congruent or not, so first thing we are going to check is all the sides are equal or not. If all the sides are equal, then we can say that the two triangles are congruent. The next thing is SAS. We are going to see that side, angle and side. So the angle should be in between the two sides that we are considering. And then next we have ASA, angle, side, angle. So here we are going to take the side in between the two angle. Then we have AAS, it means angle, angle and side. Okay, and last we have RHS, that is right angle hypotenuse side. So to apply this, we need right angle triangles. Okay, so these are the conditions that we can check whether the two triangles are congruent or not. Okay, so moving ahead, we have the applications. So we use this in the architecture, okay, engineering, surveying, right? And then it ensures us the stability, right? And the precise measurement also. Suppose we are making something, right? A big one. So we don't make directly the big one first. We make a model, right? Then we make the things that we want, right? Similar for rocket launching and all, there we also make a model first, then we applied, right? Same. So we use in many fields the congruency and similarity. Okay. Next, we have the similar figure and geometry. So we have seen square of different length, right? And then the same length also we have seen. There for square, we know that all the angles are 90 degree. So a square is a quadrilateral in which all the angles are 90 degree, right? And the side lengths are also proportional, right? So means here side lengths are equal. Directly it means proportional. Okay. Next we have the circles. Circles, we know that the central angle in a circle is 360 degree and the radii are proportional here. Radius, if you take any radius, they will have the same value, right? So proportional. Right. Next we have the rectangle. So all the angles are 90 degree and side length are again proportional here. So next we have the geometrical figures. We all have seen this geometrical figures like circle, rectangle. These are very common like ellipse, oval, right? And then the right triangle, right? Parallelogram, crescent, circle, squares. All these are means some geometrical figures. More we have heart, arrows, cross, cubes, all this, right? Next, so let's recap what we have learned in this video. In this video, we have understood the introduction part of triangle. So triangle is nothing but the geometrical shape in which there is a 3 sides, right? So we have the types of the triangles based on the angles, based on the sides, right? We also have the properties of triangles. All the angles sum up to 180 degree and all we have seen. Also we have seen the understanding the quadrilateral, similar quadrilateral we have seen, similar triangle we have seen, and congruence triangle, SSS and all also we have seen. Okay, and the application also. Keep watching our install video. Thank you.